Water is a vital resource of life, but sometimes it's nothing but an unsightly blemish. I'm Danny Lipford with Tips for Today's Homeowner. Coming up, I'll share my secret for a foolproof cover-up right after this.
When your backyard feels like a private resort, every day is like being on vacation. So enter the Backyard Paradise contest at todayshomeowner.com for a chance to win your own luxurious landscape. The pros from Pavestone and Quikrete will design a project just for the winner's home and help Danny and his team install it. Plus, the whole process will be featured on an episode of Today's Homeowner. So get your yard ready for summer. Complete your entry right now at todayshomeowner.com/backyardparadise. Brought to you by Pavestone and Quikrete.
It happens to almost every homeowner. Whether it's a burst pipe or a roof leak, you wind up with an ugly water stain on the wall or ceiling. While there are some good stain-blocking paints on the market, they don't always work as well as you might think. As the coat of paint dries, the water stain begins to bleed through again. The solution is to encapsulate the stain with an impenetrable barrier. My weapon of choice is a white shellac-based primer. The aggressive nature of the pigmented shellac locks the water stain in without ever having to worry about it bleeding through. Just make sure the source of water stain has been resolved and the stain is completely dry before applying the shellac primer. Once the primer is dry, apply your choice of top coat and the stain is forgotten history. I'm Danny Lipford with Tips for Today's Homeowner.